Hello, fellow stargazers. Welcome back to Astrology Today. I am your host, Mel Rose, and today is Saturday, December 9, 2023. Blessings of abundance in the sky today. But before we dive into it, please take a moment to like the video, subscribe to my channel, click for notifications so you will know every time I post more daily astrology and tarot content. And as always, my friends, thank you for being here. The sun is in Sagittarius, accompanied there by Mars. In the spirit of the season of lights, I hope you all are feeling the Sagittarian vibe of seasonal activity, inspiration, and warmth. You know, for many, this time of year is challenging. It's hard to find hope when you're distracted by memories of past Christmases, the dramas that went down, the loved ones we're missing now. So check on your friends and loved ones, especially the ones you know have been struggling. That's what the season of lights is for, friends, to make sure everyone has the sustenance, the comfort and support they need as we enter the belly of wintertime. Moon in Scorpio is the perfect vibe for today's waning crescent moon because it invites deep cleaning of your heart's interior spaces. We are sweeping out old resentments and unresolved BS so that the light can reach all the corners and crevices. It's musty and dusty, but now through Monday is the time to do this work. In other astrology today, Venus stands in opposition to Jupiter. These are our two benefics. So even in opposition, this one is probably one of those good problems to have. Venus is in Scorpio, seeking to draw in what we desire on the deepest levels. Jupiter is in Taurus, which is ruled by Venus, offering us opportunities to reach out and grasp whatever turns us on, especially in material comforts. So it feels like this may be a matter of good problems to have, an abundance of stuff or a growing amount of opportunities. Jupiter requires action to call in what it has to offer. So be selective about what you reach out for. Even if everything on offer is so good you can't resist, don't take on more than you think you can realistically handle, okay? Coming up next Tuesday, we'll have the new moon in Sagittarius coinciding with the beginning of Mercury's retrograde. So we will begin a new creative cycle. Just as we are discovering, we need to be very careful and specific, especially when it comes to our ambitious plans. That's it for today's astrology. I hope you are all feeling happy and well. If you found this video illuminating, feel free to drop 3 Scorpio emojis in the comment section for all of our moon in Scorpio friends and loved ones. Until next time, friends, keep looking up.